Assalamualaikum to our dear lecturer, Dr. Noraida. We are from Group 20. For our group project, we have decided to choose leave management system. Before we get started, I would like to introduce our group members. Nurul Izzah Atira binti Aminuddin. Next, we have Nurul Asrikin binti Rosli. And then me, myself, Aisyah binti Nur Hisham. For this group project, we have cooperate with Pure Cool Sales and Service in Jalan Berhad, which is located at Bandar Puteri, Puchong, Selangor. This company is specialized in air conditioning repair service and was founded by Mr. Lim Hock Chuan in 2002. So for project overview and description for our system, the leave management system was created to solve the problem of the current manual system, where this software has been supported in order to reduce and in some circumstances, minimize the difficulties that this current system is experiencing. So this system is a user-friendly system that can result in an error-free, secure, dependable, and efficient management system. It might help the user focus on their other tasks rather than maintaining the track of their records. So this system also includes remote access options for those busy people such as the owner who are always on the go, making it easier to manage the company employee at any time. Next, for the problem statement that we found, first we have apply leave. The employee struggles where they need to print out the leave form and fill up that form, which requires a lot of time. Next, we have approval leave request. Employee have to wait and check the approval of leave request from employer, which is the manager in person, since the manager will not be in their office all the time. Next, the third problem statement that we found is manually record. So all of the leave application applied by the employee in this company is manually recorded by the clerk, which is difficult for them to check the record since it's paper written. Next, for the project objective and scope. First, we have to manage the information of employees, where we can retrieve information in minimum time. Then we can improve the performance in managing the information of employees. Second, to manage the leave applications of employees, which is to allow for creating the leave application and to allow for monitoring the leave application. Third, we have to optimize the workload, where to reduce the paperwork, which then make it more user-friendly. For the scope of the system, the leave management system is meant to operate on the company server and allow employees to apply for and cancel leave based on their leave balance. As a result, the manager should be able to analyze the contents of the leave application, whether to accept or reject the leave request submitted by their employee. For the next part, my group members Izzah will take over.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izzah, and now I'm going to explain to you about the functional requirement modules for the leave management system. So for the functional requirement modules, we have the three functions in the system. That is the user login. This is actually used for the three roles, that is admin, manager, and the employee. So the second one is to apply leave. Apply leave is specific for the employee because they want to apply leave for the get out from the company. So, and the third one is to approve leave. The approve leave is actually for the manager. Manager will go to the leave applications and see whether the employee have the leave request in the system. So with this, manager will be ready to approve or reject the leave employee. Next, we will explain to you about the use case diagram for the leave management system. Case diagram, we have three actors, that is admin, employee, and the manager. In admin, we have the login, print-generated leave report, and the extension point for this is to review the generated leave report. And admin also have to manage the employee record. Next, we move to the actor for the employee. Employee have the check leave applications that has the intentions to see the leave status, whether the leave has been approved or rejected. And also, they can see the leave balance, and the extension point for this is number of leave left. And employee also have the apply leave, cancel leave, and also same as the admin, they have to log in the system first, and then they can also edit their profile. And the third roles or the actor for this use case diagram is the manager. So same as the two actors, they also have to log in the system. Then manager get to review the generated leave report and then print the generated leave report. Last but not least, manager also have to manage the employee leave request. Next, I'm gonna explain to you about the class diagram for the leave management system. These are the class diagram for the leave management system. We have the employee that will request the leave applications. Then the leave applications have the leave application info that will go to the leave report, and the leave report will provide the admin on one-on-one way. Next, we also got the manager that will approve or rejected the leave request in the leave application. And also, manager will get to review the leave report. And at here you can see that we have the 5 of the class diagram. That is the employee, leave applications, admin, leave report, and also the manager. Next, I will give the next presentation. I will give to the Ashikin.
I will explain about the entity relational diagram ERD. So we have 5 tables. First, we have employee details. The primary key is employee ID, and others in attribute is employee name, phone number, employee email, and employee address. Next, we have table login. The primary key is employee username. Others attribute is employee password, employee role, and the foreign key we have employee ID. Next, the leave application. Leave application, the primary key is leave number. We have employee ID as foreign key, type leave as foreign key from the leave details, and start date, end date, number of days, leave status, and leave report and leave reason. So next, table leave details. Primary key is type of leave. Others attribute is number of assigned, number of balance, and number of taken. Last table is leave report. So the primary key is a report ID. Others attribute is number of approved, number pending, number rejected, and the foreign key is employee ID. Next. Next is user interface design. So this is the login page. So login page, we have radio button here for the role. First, admin, manager, employee, and user have to fill the username and password and then login. Next, for admin, we have dashboard. So in dashboard, we will display the count of employee, count of leave request, count of approved leave, pending leave, and rejected leave. Next is manage employee record. It will display the list of employee in that company. This is the page for leave report. So here we have a pie chart that will show the approved leave, pending leave, and rejected leave. So admin can print the report. For manager, In dashboard manager, we will display the count for leave request, the approved leave, pending leave, and rejected leave. Next page is all leave requests. So here it will display all leave by the employee. Next, we have all list of pending leave. Next, approved leave will display all the list of approved leave. For rejected leave, it will display list of rejected leave by the manager. So manager also have leave report. So it will display the pie chart and it will show the count of approved leave, pending leave, and rejected leave. For employee, we have dashboard. It will display the count of leave applied by the employee, the total of approved leave, pending leave, and rejected leave. For check leave application, we have leave status. So it will display the leave status for the employee. So this is the leave balance page for the employee. They can see the leave balance. This is the page where employee can apply leave. So employee can fill the form by choosing the type of leave from date and to date and the reason, and then they can apply. Cancel leave. This is the cancel leave page. If employee make changes, want to make changes, want to cancel leave, they can click the button cancel leave on this page. So conclusion, along with the development of the era, companies today are always working to improve their capacity to efficiently manage various elements of their operation in order to meet their goals. The majority of employees and intended users felt that the manual approach to managing employee leave application should be abandoned favor of a more modern technology that automate the whole process. As a consequence, provide an efficient and speedier manner of managing various employee leave requests, and all of the issues that plug the manual technique will be eliminated by technology, allowing business to better their operation or system. That's all from us.